In this video, you're going to learn how to set up your Google AdWords account. So all you need to do is come into Google, type in Google AdWords, and this will pop right up at the top of the search results. And then you can just click through. Then you just want to come down and click Start Now. And that might take a second to load up. Then once inside, you can actually skip this guided setup if you see that option. That'll just allow us to get through the steps a little bit quicker. And then you just want to follow the instructions here to enter your email, country, time zone, and currency. Now, as it says here, you won't be able to change these settings later. So just make sure that you set this up in the currency and the country and the time zone of where you'll really be working from and the currency that you'll be paying in. So you just want to change those settings if you want, and then click Save and Continue. And then you just want to sign in to Google AdWords. Put in your password for your Google account for your email. And there you go. Now you'll be inside Google AdWords and have your Google AdWords account set up.